Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 5. I am up and down and round and round. Exercise set 5.3, question 3. It's on page number 106. The question says, in a circle, if the distance of chord AB from the center is twice the distance of another chord CD from the center, then can we conclude that CD is equal to twice AB? Give reasons. So in the sum there are two chords. AB is one chord and CD is one chord. The distance of chord AB from the center, that is this distance OM. The distance of chord AB from the center is twice the distance of chord CD from the center. Here OM is the distance of chord from the center. ON is the distance of chord from the center for CD. They are telling if the distance of chord AB from the center is twice the distance of chord CD from the center. Okay. Then we have to, then they are asking whether we can conclude that CD is equal to twice AB. So what we will do, let the distance of chord CD from the center be D. Let this be D. So when this is D, the distance of chord AB from center is twice the distance of this chord. So OM will be twice AD, 2AD. Okay. And now OC and OA are the radii. So let the radii be R. And the radius of the circle be R. This will be R. This also will be R. So now we should find out whether we can conclude that CD is equal to twice AB. So before that, we know that the chord length is twice root of R square minus D square. We know that the chord length is equal to twice root of R square minus D square. The chord length is twice root of R square minus D square, where R is the radius, where R is equal to radius, D is equal to the perpendicular distance, of the chord from the center, So we know that the length of the chord is equal to twice root of R square minus D square, where R is the radius and D is the perpendicular distance of the chord from the center. Using this, we will try to find out whether we can conclude CD is equal to twice AB. Now let O be the center of the circle. Let O be the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Let R be the radius. R be the radius. AB and CD are the chords. Now, let the distance of chord CD from the center be D. Let the distance of chord CD from the center be D. Then the distance of chord AB from the center will be 2D, because the distance of chord AB is twice the distance of chord CD from the center. It will be 2D. OA equal to OC equal to R. What is this? Radius. This is radius. So, the length of AB. So, length of AB will be equal to twice root of R square minus 2D whole square, because this is the distance of the chord from the center. This is the radius. So that will be equal to twice of root R square minus 4D square. Length of CD will be equal to twice of root R square minus D square. Okay, so we got the length of AB and CD. Now we have to find out whether we can conclude that CD is equal to twice AB. Let us find whether CD equal to twice AB. Let us find out whether CD is equal to twice AB. So here, what is the length of CD? Length of CD is twice root of R square minus D square. Twice the length of AB is twice of root R square minus 4D square. So twice of root R square minus D square will be equal to 2 to the 4 into root of R square minus 4D square. You can see here the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. LHS, left hand side, is not equal to RHS. Therefore, we cannot conclude that CD is equal to twice AB. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.